Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to install the driven racing Honda Grom Sprocket cover on our forgotten STG project bike. Yep, you guessed it. We have more Honda Grom videos coming for you now. I'm going to get that whole box of parts installed during the Corona apocalypse. This is a pretty simple bolt-on, right? Instead of this ugly plastic, you can have this super bitchin' driven anodized aluminum cover. It is available in typical driven style in multiple colors, okay? Tools that we need to perform this job. We need a T-handle with an 8mm socket that I left over here on the toolbox. We need some blue Loctite. I think we're gonna need a cable tie. We're gonna need a 4mm T-handle for the internal hex fasteners that come with it. Is he really doing a video on just this? Yes, he is. Because it's the Corona apocalypse. We gotta have something to do, for God's sake. All right, these external hex 8mm. Okay. That kind of pops right out like so, and then you can see up here we've got this little connector. Let's pull that apart. Wire loom. Like so. Obviously keep this, right? Keep your fasteners. I like to keep everything that I take off the bikes. To be fair, I'd probably throw 90% of it out, but for some reason I continue to keep it. Okay, things that we want to look out for here. Number one, it's important that you have a sprocket cover on the bike. You get your foot in there. Probably not going to be fantastic, okay? And you want to make sure too that any of the wires that are around the sprocket, okay, that they don't end up finding their way in there, okay? This covers a little less than the OEM one did, for sure. So you have these spacers. They're gonna go behind this, installed right in there. It's pretty simple stuff, right? Maybe this video is more about having something to do, give you a good idea of what this is gonna look like afterwards too. A little blue Loctite. Some nice tapered seat fasteners too. Oops, my bad. Let's go through the cover first. Hello. Okay, like so. And dip it in like that. I think with a Honda Grom, it's probably fair to assume too that a lot of people that are buying this bike, this could be your first bike, be your first time wrenching on something. It makes these videos, even for these really small cosmetics, a little more relevant. Notice how I started those with my fingers, okay? Not gonna use a torque wrench here. Make sure they thread in that smooth. Get them both seated. And then you want to apply nice, even torque. Or use a torque wrench. This is a really small fastener. You can see these tapered seat fasteners too. They generate a lot of mechanical grip, right? You have that tapered seat and it's machined to fit perfectly. So you have all that surface area and it kind of grinds against itself, and that really helps to hold it tight over the long haul. And that would be my guess. That's why no one chose to use that type of fastener for this application. I'm just going to get a cable tie to tidy this a little bit here. Like right there is pretty good. Now let's take a good look Make sure we haven't created any possible issues, and you can see that fits really nice. It certainly looks badass, available in multiple colors to complement the color scheme of your Honda Grom. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you all get the same result from your project we do from ours.